What's up, YouTube? We are shooting episode 15 of Through the Mail Autographs. I can't believe we've already done 15 episodes. Man, I've only been doing this for less than a month, sending stuff out. I wrote my first letter, like maybe, I think it was the October 7th I wrote my first letter. And we've been getting all kinds of returns back. This is 8 today. Our first one is 2 of 2 in 17 days. Oh, this is one of my photos, I believe. Now, if you guys recognize that guy, he was in the Green Mile. Not the good-looking guy on the left, but the guy on the right. But he was in the Green Mile. He was in Beverly Hills Cop. He was Taggart. But it's John Ashton, and he signed my photo, and he signed an index card. I just threw this to give this some padding, so that was just a freebie. So 2 of 2, and wow, 17 days, man, that's pretty quick for a celebrity, I thought. Here's a 2 of 4 in 21 days. Okay, guess Mark Carrier only signs 2 autographs, but there's a 90 Fleer, 91 Fleer, I believe. And those are the 2 cards he didn't sign. We'll send those back out. I guess out of those, I like this one the best. This is 3 of 3 in 26 days. I couldn't find this address, so I just got it myself. It's a private address. I knew where he lived because he told me where he lived because I did a show with him. But it is from Ohio State quarterback Rex Kern. He also played defensive back for the Colts and maybe another team. But yeah, he won the 1968 championship. He was the quarterback of the 1968 Buckeyes. And I worked with him at a show a couple years ago up in Columbus when they brought the 68 team together. And there's 2 signed photos. They just say, best wishes, Larry. Go Bucks. Rex. I'm not sure why he didn't write his last name. Maybe he has contract where he can't sign autographs or something. And, or maybe him and I are just really good friends and he can just sign Rex for me. I'll take that. But yeah, we had a good time together. He's a super nice guy. We spent about 6 hours together that day. But here's a 1 of 2 in 8 days. This is Ron Guidry. I sent him 2 for the set, but I'll have to send this one back out. But this is a 82 Topps card. Yeah, that's nice. 82 Topps card. It's a beautiful card. I was glad to get that. I was a Ron Guidry fan back in the day. He was a good player. Very nice. Here's a 4 of 4 in 16 days. 4 of 4 in 16 days. Okay, Bobby Meacham. There's a, what is that, 88 Donruss? 88 Fleer. I think Isaac puts that together, doesn't he, for the set? Is that 88 or 89? I think it's 88. I watch all his videos. I should remember that. Here's an 88 Topps. There's an 89 Topps. And an 84 Topps for me for the set. And we'll put the Yankee right there beside the other Yankee. There we go. We got all kinds of Yankees there. All right, this is 3 of 2, I think, or 3 of 3. It's hard to read my writing sometimes. Here's Nick Leyva, 89 Topps. 90 Topps, and a 91 Topps. So 3 of 3. That was nice. Here's a 3 of 3 in 16 days. Here we go. Got one of the Upper Deck Dominoes cards signed by Dan Fouts. Got one of the Ted Williams, Roger Staubach cards signed, and an 84 in action Topps. Nice. I have to put that in action on top there. All right, this one's kind of weird. I guess I didn't send this guy a donation. I have no idea who this is. I don't put anything on my fronts. Let's see. Yeah, this is my P.O. box. I can show my address. But, you know, I don't put anything on the return. It's from Charlotte. I don't remember. I sent out 375 letters so far since October 7th. So I can't remember who this is I sent to Charlotte. But it says, have 12 days to something for signing. To answer for signing. There we go. They didn't even like initial it or anything. If anybody can recognize this writing maybe and help me out, you know, maybe I'll send them $5 to get my card back. I can't remember who it is. It says, sorry, there is no money for signing card. To be fair to others that said money, $5 per card. Here, oh, something about have 2 weeks to answer, like to sign them for you, but nothing, no initials, no anything. So if anybody recognizes that handwriting, maybe that would do me a solid and put in the comments who this might be. I thought it might have been, what's his name, Juan Beringer or something. I can't remember if I sent him money or not. I know he requests money. I don't know. If you guys can help me out, man, I'd appreciate it. I have no idea who this is. So in reality, we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 responses today. I want to thank Bobby Meacham, Ron Guidry, John Ashton, Dan Fouts, Mark Carrier, Rex Kern, and Nick Leva for sending me autographs today. I'm very happy to get these, especially these ones from my album here. These are my favorite ones to get. My favorite one is probably Taggart from Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills Cop. I love Taggart character. He was a cool guy too when I met him in person. Met him at the Dan Marino golf tournament down at Fort Lauderdale. And he was just a really cool guy. Then my second favorite has to be Rex Kern, because like I said, we spent like 6-7 hours together that day, and we were having a good time, man. He's a really good dude. So let me know what you guys think. Have you got some of these guys back? Have you not got some of these guys back? You have any interesting stories about any of these guys? Just let me know. And we'll see you tomorrow. I'm sure we'll get some more returns. Like I said, we just sent out another 150 today. I just bought 300 stamps this morning, so we're going to get this show on the road. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Everything we sold the past couple days, which is what, Monday and Tuesday. It's been really, really slow, guys. I don't know how you guys have been doing, but I've sold 3 items so far, and it's about 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock on a Tuesday night. So I'm down here doing my shipping, and like I said, we got 3 things to show you so far. Hopefully you guys have been doing better. But my name's Larry. I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997. We sell all kinds of stuff. Media, autographs, sports cards, games, I mean all kinds of stuff. Vintage t-shirts, snapback hats. So check out our store if you want to see what we sell. But I'll show you guys some stuff you might not sell. And maybe you do sell the same stuff and just want to have something to watch. Anyway, let's see what we sold. All right, we sold a concert t-shirt. It's one of the older ones. It was AC/DC. Let me get to the tag here. It was on the Brockham tag. If you find that, that's a good one, especially if they're single stitch. This probably should have sold for about $100, but I got a best offer for $70, and I'm not selling anything right now, so I took the $70 and ran. I paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store. We sold a game, Dance Revolution game. Here's a plate. There it is. We just bought this for $2. It was sealed. We sold it for $19.99. All right, we sold an autograph. I think it's this one right here. Can't remember what this was from. It was like Dark Crystal, maybe? It was Michael Kilgariff or something. There's his name right there. Michael Kilgariff. We ended up paying $2.99 for this, and we sold it for $14.50 with the best offer.